problem.
Can you do belly jelly when you done?
You're a YouTuber?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you are? What's your name?
It's 2 more over there too. And I have a YouTube. Can you follow me and I'll follow back?
Yes, ma'am.
Or subscribe to me? Oh, why she want to turn it up right here?
Just take all of them. Oh, you got food in your hands. Okay.
Thank you.
No.
Hi, my name is Kimberly Hudson. I'm from Divine Lux. Look me up at www.divinelux.com. Thank you.
To me, Lady X on YouTube, and I'm on Instagram at Ms_Lady X. Go ahead and follow me, subscribe to me. I'll follow you back. Drop a comment on my videos, all that good shit, y'all. We coming with the videos. We at 9K subscribers. Just got 9K family members. We on the road to 10K. So make sure y'all hit up my channel and go check out my videos, y'all. Hello, I am Belly Jelly, the only vegan, all-natural fat slimming cream. It is made to slender all unwanted inches while fading stretch marks. And again, with that vegan collagen, it brings that elasticity right back to the skin. It comes in 5 different scents. You can find us on www.bellyjelly.com, belly with an I, jelly with an I, and even on Facebook and all other social media platforms. Guaranteed results in a week.
Play director, turn you out, let me sneak a peek. Turn you out on the late night creep. Ain't no playing no games tonight.
I appreciate you.
Thank you, man. What's going on, gang? How y'all doing today, man? Hey, this your boy S. Just checking in one time for the one time. Hopefully everybody having a wonderful day, man. Did y'all enjoy yesterday's video when I was in Zion, Illinois at the Nostalgia Days? Well, anyway, man, if you're watching this one and you don't know what I'm talking about, that means you missed yesterday's video and you need to go back and check out that joint, man. But anyway, man, I know y'all wondering what's going on. Y'all see all this grass and field behind me. Y'all wondering where I'm at. Well, anyway, man, your boy is Cincinnati, Ohio. Yes, that's right. I am in Cincinnati, Ohio. Yes, I took the drive. As soon as I got done yesterday from Zion, Illinois, came home, whoop, edit that video, took me a nap, whoop, got up like, hey, gotta go get this footage, gang. Gotta go get this footage, man. But before we get farther into this video, man, I thank each and every last one of y'all, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all, we friends, we family, we support one another. Ain't no hate going on, man. The only way is up, man. I appreciate each and every last one of y'all, man. But hey, I did tell y'all I was in Cincinnati, Ohio, right? Yes, sir. So that means I'm at the 2020. Ooh, I messed up. We ain't gonna bloop that out. I'm at the 2000 in 2020. I did it again. Well, anyway, man, y'all know what year it is. I messed up right now. Lack of sleep, but hey, I'm up here and we made it, man. Y'all want to see Kavari? Yes, sir. We gonna go ahead and see Kavari, man. And I think I'm early real quick. But I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see this. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Make sure y'all smash that like button, share, subscribe, all of that good shit. I know that ain't who I think it is. Is that Marty Mart too? Oh, they got some of everybody up here, man. Hold up real quick. Let me get up off of here. Gang. Yeah, we ain't missing nothing. I don't know if someone's Camaro. What they over there having the sound off? Oh, it's popping. Hold on. Check out this Dodge though. Yes, sir. This Dodge clean. Hey man, get in tune with whoever this is right here. So that's crazy. Yes. Where my boy go? Oh yeah. Okay. Well, where my man's at? He ain't here? Okay, he's somewhere around this joint. But But hey, there go Kavari gang. I told y'all what the score was, man. I told y'all what the score was. Woo. Oh man, hey, there you go. Hey, for sure, man. Hey, yes, sir. Check them out. We got, ooh. Then of course, you got Vino the Don. Hey man, what? Let's keep it going. What else we got going? Hey, check this joint out right here. Woo. Hey, this joint spicy right here, man. This joint spicy. On the Ashanti. Hey, peep the Ashanti behind the. Hey, oh yeah. Yeah, this joint here clean. Buka? Yes, sir. With the gold trimming. Yeah. So which one of these yours? Oh, 'cause I was definitely finna ask her. These joints nice, man. Yeah. Go ahead, bro.
Nah, he got that.
Go ahead.
Still got that.
Go ahead. Hold on.
What's kind of reason?
Yeah, I just came.
Hold on, put me on that bitch, man.
Let's go ahead.
That's my nigga, man. God damn it. Son of Reese. Cincinnati, Ohio, 513, man. Lake area, man. 513, west side. You heard me? Check out the goddamn shit, man. This my family member's car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they the ones who put the show on.
Oh, they just ain't here yet, huh?
Nah, they had to get the camera out.
Oh, this joint clean.
Hold on, you got to get all the details.
Oh, I'm definitely finna come back around. I'm finna do a couple more laps. Yeah. Oh, this interior. Oh, yeah.
Hey, hold on. This snake skin. It don't move. This ain't like that pillows y'all get.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
He said, ooh, with the Rucci matching steering wheel. Big Rucci gang. Y'all see what the fuck going on, man. Hey, they got the trunk did up. Okay. Corvette with the gold tips. Yes, sir. With the kicks to match it. Okay. I'll see you. Doors go up. They got the. Whoop, they ain't playing no games out here, man. They ain't playing no games. Look at this. Whoop. Light detail. Hey, even the inside of the lights flip like the paint.
Yeah.
So yeah, they ain't playing no games, man. I see you. I see y'all. I see y'all, man.
Skittle pack.
Ooh. Oh yeah. This joint clean. All three of these joints. Yes, sir. Ooh, they gonna nail your boy for the copyright. I'm gonna have to move down that way. They gonna hit me. Yeah, I need this right here. Okay. They whole little line up of Camaros. It's definitely warm out this way, gang. Okay, I like how you did that. What's going on with you? Oh yeah, they took care of that. They did that the right way. Okay, we gotta, y'all see what that is. Y'all know what that is. Ooh. Oh, so that's why they was over here making these things yell like that earlier. Look out this burnt orange one. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, this is EL1. That's the demonstration. So that's what this looked like. This what the demonstration. Hey, y'all see the flakes and this orange? Yeah, this ZL1 on point, Joe. With the ground. Yeah. Then we got this Camaro. Oh, this one just as clean as the last one. This thing just as clean as the last one. Alright, let's see this one right here. What we got going on right here? Okay. Yeah. So they just all out here right now. Oh man, what we got here? The S500? Okay. I could just imagine how this thing sound with the PRVs, American bass, Scar amp. Oh, he got the big PRVs in the doors. Okay. Okay. Oh, and we got this old dunk out here. This joint clean. Yes, sir. Yeah, we're gonna have to take one more rap. Y'all see the 4Gs? Ooh. Oh, yeah. Halo lights. Trim. It's early still. Ooh, big lip. Tuck game. Okay. Matching steering wheel. They on point with this joint. What's going on? Hey, that's a big ass TV, bro. I gotta get that joint. That motherfucker humongous. So, look at this big ass TV they got up front, man.
You in the living room.
So, they ain't playing no games. Check them out. Oh, the Monte Carlo. Oh, look at the Monte Carlo. Everybody get. I bet you this mother running too with the hood scoop on that joint. Whoa. We got the Impala. Oh, he's spicy, huh? That's why he got his hood open. What he got? What it done did to this joint? Oh, it must be all in the trunk. I see all these batteries. That means he got some music. I see a whole bunch of wires. So where the music at? Oh. He got his shit flipped around.
Should tell him to turn that shit up.
Man, look here. Joe, that, ooh. I could just imagine. I could just imagine. I see it. Jesus. Ooh. The copyright is real. Oh, man, Joe. Damn, them bitches huge. Now, I'm going to come back around. I'm going to get you one time. I got to figure out something how I'm going to do it so I don't get hit for copyright. Because they definitely going to nail your boy. Damn. Oh, yeah. It's 442. They got the interior done, too. Oh, yeah. This is clean. Drop top.
I put that.
Let's see here. Did I get them? I can't miss. I ain't trying to miss nobody. Hold on. Ain't nobody finna get missed, Jack. Ain't nobody. We got the Jeeps out here. You see, it's still early. Ain't nobody here yet, but you know, ooh, y'all see that? Y'all see what's going on, man. On with the Lexus center cap. Okay. Ooh. Okay, there's gotta be a scat pack with all these beads on it. What else can it be? Oh, they ain't playing no games out here in Ohio, I see. Okay, Cincinnati. Dayton. Who else out here? Yeah, don't even worry about that. We're gonna go back around there, gang. Scat, 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 scat. Woo! Oh yeah. Then we got the Q05 with the gotta be straight pipe. Them pipes that big. Where my boy at? He's still in there? Okay. Now let's go back this way. Let's go back this way. Cause we ain't missing nothing. Did y'all see this joint? I don't think y'all seen this joint. We ain't finna miss nothing. Like I said, your boy done drove all the way out here. Ooh. Your boy done drove all the way out here. From Illinois to Ohio. We ain't playing no games. On them. Yes. Oh. Hey, that grill tough. That grill real tough. Hold on. Yeah, that grill tough. That joint with the interior to match it, that joint spicy. Alright. Let's go back this way. Hold on.
I don't get mad, nah, I just get paid. What? Excuse me. Now I ain't got a deal, but I got a race. Jake. Pulled up in a Porsche, pulled off in a race, pulled up in a Porsche, pulled off in a race, pulled up in a Porsche, pulled off in a race. I saw my old bitch yesterday, you should have seen her face.
I don't know which one of them cars did it, Joe, but hey, my ear over here ringing right now. I don't know if it was the first truck or the second truck, but them joints is loud as hell, gang. Hey, make sure y'all smash that like button, subscribe, comment, all of that good shit, man. From Illinois all the way out here to Ohio, man. State to state, city to city. It's your boy, S. in Lucerne, man. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, we gonna run it up to 3K, gang. Hey, it ain't over with yet. It ain't over with yet. Ooh, it ain't over with. Hey, they still pulling in here. I'm gonna take one lap around here one more time, and hey, it's somebody here that y'all ain't even get a chance to see. I'm gonna loop back around on him too, man. Y'all be smooth how y'all be smooth. Y'all be cool how y'all be cool. And hey, we ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. Gang. Let's join in. This motherfucker's running. Oh. Yeah, buddy. Oh, T-Top. What? Oh, yeah.
Chip gauge that.
Yeah. With the pipes. Yes, sir. With the T-tops. Yes, sir. Hold on, y'all know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Man, this Cadillac clean. Hey man, if y'all ain't in Cincinnati, I don't know where y'all at. That's all I can say. If y'all ain't in Cincinnati, I don't know where y'all at. Y'all should have came out here to Ohio game. But hey, your boy S. and Lucerne did, and it looked like Stunner Reese did too. So hey man, make sure y'all check us out on YouTube, man, so y'all can get that footage, man. Make sure y'all check us out so y'all can get that footage, man. The copyright is so real right now. But ooh, this wasn't up here the first time. Oh yeah. Okay. Monte Carlo on them doves with the rockers. Oh yeah, with the pearl in the paint. With the pearl in the paint. Oh man. Joe, yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, they showing out. Okay, my boy, I see you. But like I was saying, man, this your boy S. man, and we out here in Cincinnati, Ohio, man. You gotta check out the old school. Oh, bro, wow, what's going on? No, shout out to that man right there, man. That's the goal to get him to 100K. Hey, I'm up, I'm coming. Man.
Shout out Shane and Cam. They doing that damn thing right there, baby. Yeah, so we all getting ready to be down. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, definitely. Nice meeting you. Same here, man. All right. How y'all doing?
Hello, how are you?
I'm well.
I am just now learning.
What's up, baby?
What's going on with you, man?
You all right?
Most definitely, man.
I came to last year's event, so it was Carl Thomas and Jagged Edge and everything. things like that. So this is the first time I've been in with my business here. So yes, but no, I wanted to shake your hand. I will definitely be following you. I do have a YouTube channel as well. Belly Jelly. It is the only vegan all-natural sweat cream. So it's made to slender all unwanted inches while favoring stretch marks. Yes, and it has vegan collagen, so it also brings the natural elasticity back to the skin. It comes in 5 different scents. It goes through a whole chemistry process as well. So even though it looks liquidy right now, once you throw it in a cool environment, it becomes automatically solid. So yes, we also just opened up a backwash spot up in Tri-County. So come through, see us, and I'll give you a complimentary backwash. Because you got to think, how many times, how can you get back there? Okay.
I feel you, girl. I feel you. I feel that, Lord.
Dirty back there. Come and see us at 270 Northland. We just actually went live yesterday.
All right.
All praises to the Most High.
All praises to Him.
All praises to the Most High.
Then the blessings will come down.
I will be a year in with my product next month. It's
Congratulations.
my year anniversary. I've been blessed to ship to Wiki Lagos, Nigeria. I've been blessed to ship to Marseilles, France, and just shipped to Romania. So if you follow my social media on Facebook, you will be able to see my journey. And it's once again, all praises to God. My oldest just turned 18. My middle is 14. My baby's 12. And this is the product of Belly Jelly.
She got it, boy. Go ahead, girl. She got it going on.
Like that, there's nothing wrong with surgery. It's just not for everyone. Right. So, okay, I got 3. This is yes. My oldest just turned 18. He just graduated from Don as well. So yes, ma'am. So check it out.
Yeah, you're silly, girl.
Can I get a picture with both of y'all? It's a God thing. It's a God thing for real. Yes. I got it.
Subscribe to me, Lady X on YouTube, and I'm on Instagram at Ms_Lady X. Go ahead and follow me, subscribe to me. I'll follow you back. Drop a comment on my videos, all that good shit, y'all. We coming with some videos. We at 9K subscribers. Just got 9K family members. We on the road to 10K. So make sure y'all hit up my channel and go check out my videos, y'all.
Make sure you get your stunner butter applicator. He got the whole kits for you right here. Get your stunner butter applicator. You see, you got your brush. Look at that. You got everything that you need. You got the applicator here. Whoa. Oh. Oh. This joint clean. Hey, hold on. I gotta get these doors real quick. Do y'all see the way these doors open up on this Continental? Check out the way the doors. Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Y'all, that's what y'all want to see one more time? Yeah, that's right. Clean. No problem.
Can you look Belly Jelly when you're
Oh,
You're a YouTuber?
yes, ma'am.
Oh, you are? What's your name?
It's 2 more over there too. And I have a YouTube. Can you follow me and I'll follow back?
Yes, ma'am.
Or subscribe to me. Oh, why she want to turn it up right here?
Just take all of them. Oh, you got food in your hands. Okay.
Thank you.
Nope.
Hi, my name is Kimberly Hudson. I'm from Divine Love. Look me up at www.divinelux.com. Thank you.
Hello, I am Belly Jelly, the only vegan, all-natural fat slimming cream. It is made to slender all unwanted inches while fading stretch marks. And again, with that vegan collagen, it brings that elasticity right back to the skin. It comes in 5 different scents. You can find us on www.bellyjelly.com, belly with an I, jelly with an I, and even on Facebook and all other social media platforms. Guaranteed results in a week.
I'll play director, turn you out, let me sneak a peek, turn you out on the late night creep, ain't no playing no games tonight.
I appreciate you.
Thank you, man.
Teddy bears every time we make their mamas cry. I traded my fast and they headed me too. When I'm in love, I love heavily. If you betray me, you dead to me too. I disrespect you, respect you. I got some problems who love this earth. Maybe the fame ain't a better. Just know that they secrets is kept. I feel like the streets is a death straight. I gave my heart away to other God. See, that's what said to me too. I did my pops to that shit cause if he didn't fail, he could've corrected me too. Give out a props to my mama cause no matter what, she always protected me.
Ooh. Ohio showing out. T-Top, Stingray, Corvette with the boom sundown back there. Okay. Look, hey, more people coming, gang. More people coming, gang. Yeah, this joint's nice.
Trying to feed. It's a glass on top of the motherfucking piano, bitch. It's a tip glass. Put some money in that bitch and get the fuck on. Check this pinkle out. Bad as a motherfucker with my fingers.
Fuck that nigga.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, mammals and cats, dogs, chickens, ducks, and all that in between.
Alright, man. Man, hey, y'all already know the scope, man. Y'all know where we at, man. But I'm gonna let him tell y'all what the demonstration is, man.
And I am here in Cincinnati with my brother, man, S. Return, man. Make sure y'all tune into all the real content, man. My boy be working, you know what I'm saying? Definitely doing his thing on the car content, man. Putting in for the community, you know what I'm saying? Showing y'all how to do it, man. You gotta get out, grind, you gotta stay consistent, man. And hey, make sure y'all be like me, man. And tune into my brother, man. Let's get it.
Let's see, man. They got some more stuff that been poured up.
Here's my number, put it in your purse and call me. On the telephone, she heard my voice. Tell me to pick you up. Girl, I'm gonna take you in my Mercedes. My Mercedes. And girl, I'm gonna take you in my private bird. My private bird. Girl, you're all such a dumb and your body is close. My pretty roses, like a fuck, but maybe not from something to stay on. Between your legs, lay on your back, take it from the back, like a bag you're supposed to. I know you like that. Sway with the ladies when they sleep. Grab the sheets with your teeth, wiggle your butt cheeks. Pull the styles over your body, hook you up, treat you like a convenience store, slip you up, take you to the balcony, pick you up, so you can look at the city while I'm digging your kitty. Then we drive into the sunset. Pull over, get up on the hood, ma. I ain't done yet.
On the telephone, she heard my voice. Tell me to pick her up in my Rolls Royce. My Rolls Royce, it's not the ladies. And I'm gonna take you in my Mercedes. My Mercedes, with the full up of the disease. And girl, I'm gonna take you in my private bird. If I fight the bird, can you take the bird? Girl, put your ass in the ground, let your body.
Together for a few months now. Did it all 4 seasons to the Trump. Beverly Hills bungalows in your underclothes and Harry's Tower.
She heard my voice, tell me to pick her up in my Rolls Royce. My Rolls Royce, it's not the lady. And girl, I'm gonna take you in my Mercedes. My Mercedes, put up on the button. And girl, I'm gonna take you in my private bird. If I'm private bird, yeah. Kick ass.
Ladies and gentlemen,
If a bitch leave me, I'ma take everything from her. Anybody you can, girl, you're only king of number. I'ma find me a girl, you thinking. You know one girl, you don't know what you missing. I'm a bad boss nigga. Some things you have to see for yourself. Francis Ford. Fucking with the roads you niggas still can't afford. Made so many mistakes, I know that my niggas relate. Just to battle my case, so much shit they sat on my plate. She know me through records, but she don't know me too well.
Okay, so this is how y'all doing it out here in Ohio, huh? Oh yeah. With the Banji, okay. Yo, smacking. Yeah, this bitch.
So we think this is start?
Golly. Joe, you see the pearls in this bitch? It's pink, copper, yellow. This joint so motherfucking nasty. Ooh, that joint clean.